Ooh, mystery hair reveal.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to dye my hair. I'm gonna try to dye my hair purple. This is what my hair looks like right now. I'll put better pictures somewhere. I'm gonna be using the insert name here, Care Bear collection in color Share Bear. This is what the box looks like. This is what the container looks like. It's like the size of my palm. I got this when it was on sale, where you just pay shipping and you get this whole bottle for free, but you just have to pay shipping. I never dyed my hair before, like by myself. Okay, so the first thing it says to do is to clean your hair and not put conditioner or anything on it. So before my friend comes, I'm gonna take a shower and just shampoo. Okay, hello guys, I'm back from the shower. This is how my hair looks. It's still kind of damp, but as you can see, there's still lighter parts and darker parts over here. This is how it looks like from the back. So yeah, when my friend gets here and by the time this dries, we're gonna put some color in it. So these are the finished results after one wash. I waited 2 hours for the color to soak in, and when I washed it out, it didn't stain my bathtub. We applied the color too low since we were confused about where my blonde parts ended, but regardless, I really love the results. It gives a beachy dimensional effect instead of being a flat solid color. It was effortless to use and had a nice smell. I recommend this color for those who want a temporary, pretty, and subtle change. I wish I got this color when I first dyed my hair because it looks less intense than blonde. I'm excited to play with other colors from this line, especially pink and blue. After showering for the second time, I noticed that my hair was turning a steel blue color, which really surprised me. I think it's funny that this color faded out to a color I wanted to try, so it was like a 2 color for 1 product deal. It didn't bother me that it turned blue, but I think it's important to bring it up since this is how it reacted to my hair. As I kept washing, it turned into a vibrant blue instead of having some strips be steel blue and purple. Here's a better look at it. Then it started fading out into this lighter blue color, but with the blending in my hair, it looked kinda greenish gray. This is the last check-in for my hair. There are still parts that are turquoise and some parts that look gray from afar. Thank you guys so much for watching my hair dyeing process. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!